How to use the SSDC online planning portal. From our home page, under Planning, click Search for a planning application. To find a planning application, please enter a keyword, reference number or postcode and click Search. Please allow time for all the applications regarding your search to load. From this page, you can find the summary, further information and contacts for the planning application. There are other options on this page, including comments, constraints, documents, related cases and a map. You can make and review comments from this section. You can also find constraints. Keep in mind that they are not added to all applications. Related cases are cases linked to that address, and selecting properties will give a link to the property history of the site. The Map tab is also set to reveal applications received in the last 6 months. It can be changed in the legend and filter drop-down to reveal a longer time span. Under Documents, you'll find a link that will redirect you to all the planning documents in this case. Please note the layout may vary slightly depending on which browser you are using. You can select any documents listed and inspect them in our new Document Viewer. From here, you'll be able to complete a multitude of tasks. Using the scaling tool, you can measure any length on the plan, as well as calculating the area of any section. Remember to use our online instructions on the SSDC website for more information.